Now this is a smart band from Samsung called Galaxy Fit 3. Now can this replace your Samsung Galaxy smartwatch? Is this just a typical fitness band or does it have any smart features? Should you even consider buying one? Let's find out the answers for those questions in this video. First up, the unboxing experience. This was a pretty simple box we have got, nothing fancy. Inside the box we have got the Galaxy Fit 3 and a proprietary cable for charging this device and some paperwork here. Now look at this smart band. This looks so simple and elegant. It's made up of this aluminum frame. We have just got this home button on the right hand side. Underneath we have got these sensors and the band is pretty simple. It's a silicone band and very comfortable to wear this. It's very soft and this can be easily detached by pressing this button here. You see, it just comes off like this. Now this kind of button mechanism to detach the watch bands was made available on the Galaxy Watch 6 series. As you can see, this is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic I've got here. It's a similar button mechanism for detaching the band, and something similar has been made available on this Galaxy Fit 3 as well. Just press the button to detach it and you can just push this band into this frame to just attach this band. As simple as that. Now connecting this band on the Galaxy phone was quite simple. As soon as I turned on this watch, there was a pop-up on the phone which was showing me the model of this particular device, and I just tapped on connect and the phone was connected and it was available on the Galaxy Wearable application on the phone. Now you can see here, this is the wearable application. This fitness band is connected on this app, and this is something similar to the Galaxy Watches page that we see when the watch is connected. We've got watch faces, app screen, tiles and a quick panel here. Now as far as the watch faces are concerned, we have got almost about 100 watch faces, and we can also have a customizable watch face. We can set a picture for this particular watch face here. As you can see, I can tap on customize and I can select an image from the gallery, or I can take a picture right from here, or I can select some of these clock types which we already have. Now let me tap on gallery here and select an image here, and this is the aspect ratio we have to crop the image in, and I can increase the brightness of the image. This is really cool. I can actually edit this image right here. I can change the contrast. I can change a few other elements here, and then I can just tap on done. It's going to take a few seconds to add this particular watch face onto the watch. You see the watch face is created. I'll just tap on save and this watch face is now available on the band right here. This looks pretty cool. You can set any of your family members or your loved ones or any images that you want onto this watch face. And we get to see this clock and the date information right below this. And the display is actually very beautiful. This is the AMOLED screen that we have, 1.6 inches AMOLED screen on this device, which looks very vibrant and very cool. Now this watch is not running on Wear OS. This is a custom UI from Samsung on this device, and it's very simple and very fluid, and it's quite responsive as well compared to most of the other smart bands. I would say it's as good as the Galaxy Watch's touch response that you can see here. Now let me just swipe up here. Swiping up will bring up these application list here. You can see we have got a few apps, Samsung Health application. I'll come to that in a bit. Then we have got Media Controller. We have got Find My Phone. The moment I tap on this and tap start, you can see the phone will start ringing here. So it's quite easy to find your phone. Just tap on start and you will get this notification on the phone here, and the phone will start ringing. We can swipe back from here to go to the previous page. Then we've got this weather application here. I'll just tap on this. Now this makes use of this large screen real estate 1.6 inch screen that we have here, and all this looks similar to what we have on the Galaxy Watches. You see even these edges are kind of curved, which makes it looks pretty cool. This looks something similar to the Apple Watches. As you can see, I can swipe up to see the detailed weather information, and I can just tap on this refresh button to refresh the weather info, and I can just go back here by swiping from the left. Then we have got calendar application, which looks pretty cool. Then we have timer, alarm, stopwatch, world clock, calculator, and we have got this camera remote as well. We can directly control the camera on the phone using this application. Let me just open camera controller, and let's see on the phone. You see we have got the camera application open instantly. We have got a timer also on the top. Now this is something similar to the Galaxy Watches camera controller application. I can just tap on the shutter button to take a picture without touching the phone. Now this application is also available on the Galaxy Fit 3. Now let me go back. At the end we have got this settings option here. Now let me tap on this home button to go to the home page. I'll swipe up. Now swiping down from the top, will bring up these toggles. You can see we have got toggles which are similar to the Galaxy Watch. We have got do not disturb button, power off button, settings, and the vibration button, vibration toggle. Then we also have this flashlight toggle here, by tapping on which you can see the screen just glows in white. You can reduce or increase the intensity of the screen brightness. Let me just go back. We've got Find My Phone icon. Theater mode also is available right here, which means that we can control some modes from this watch on the Galaxy phone. It says to use theater mode on your band only, turn off sync modes with phone in Galaxy wearable. Now let me just go back. We also have this water lock toggle here. Let me just press and hold on this. You see, I can turn this on by enabling this toggle, and to turn it off, I have to press and hold on this home button to turn off the water lock. Again, this is something similar to the Galaxy Watch. So there are a lot of features which are on Galaxy Watch are made available on this smart band as well, which is pretty good. Now, swiping right on this screen will take you to the tiles. Again, these tiles look quite similar to the Galaxy watches. It's quite familiar. We have got these health-centric tiles. We have got these exercise tiles. Then we have got this sleep monitoring tile. We have weather, calendar, playback tile. Now using this, we can control the media player on the phone as well as on any other connected device. Let me scroll to the right. We've got heart rate, cycle tracking, and we can also tap on add tiles. We get some more tiles here. You can see we've got alarm, timer, world clock, blood oxygen, food, health summary, steps, stress, together, water, monthly calendar, weather forecast. So all these styles are available. We can add any of these styles on the watch, which is really good. Now when you swipe towards the right, you will be able to see all the notifications that you get here. You'll be able to see the messages on this page, and you can also see the missed call alert on this page. So basically you get the notifications on this band, but you may not be able to make calls or take calls using this band. Whenever you get a call, it will notify you that you are getting a call. When you get a message, it will notify you on the band, and it can also vibrate. So the vibration feedback is pretty good. The haptic feedback is pretty good on the device, so you'll not miss any of the notification. Now, as far as the health-centric features are concerned, this band can track more than 100 workouts. When I tap on health application here, you can tap on exercise to start tracking all your different workouts here. And we also get this daily activity, steps details, and we've got exercise details, workouts this week, the information, sleep tracking details, food, heart rate, stress monitoring, cycle tracking, water tracking, and we've got blood oxygen. And we also have this together feature, which is available on the Galaxy Watch and the Galaxy phones. So there are a lot of health-centric features available on this device. If you're into workouts or sleep tracking or blood oxygen, etc., you will be able to use the smart band very effectively, especially when it comes to sleep tracking. This is a very comfortable device to wear and sleep, unlike the Galaxy watches, because these Galaxy watches are a bit bulkier to wear it and sleep during the night, and you may not feel that comfortable wearing these watches. So if you're purely into sleep tracking and exercises, then this is the band to go. It can track the sleep without any issues, and the sensor is pretty good. This is the same sensor made by one of the vendors for Samsung who made their fingerprint sensors. So as far as the accuracy is concerned, this should be as good as the Galaxy watches, but I will be testing this out and sharing the results with you guys very soon. I just got the device yesterday evening, and I am just doing this initial impression video. I will be posting a detailed video about this watch, how it works, how is it compared to the Galaxy watches. So stay tuned for that video as well. Now Samsung says users can comfortably wear this Galaxy Fit 3 throughout the night while it tracks their sleep patterns, even detecting snoring and monitoring blood oxygen levels to provide more detailed measurements. Based on individual sleep patterns, the Galaxy Fit 3 provides users with personalized sleep coaching with meaningful insights that help them more intuitively understand their sleep, leading them to make positive changes. Now this is a very important aspect of this watch. The fitness tracking, the health-centric features, and the sleep monitoring is something which is going to be very useful on this particular band. Now apart from this, we also have some safety features which is introduced by Samsung for the first time on a fitness band. We get fall detection and emergency SOS feature, which have been newly added. When an abnormal fall is detected, the Galaxy Fit 3 gives users the option to call emergency services right away to get medical support in a timely manner. When users are in an emergency, they can send an SOS immediately by pressing the side button 5 times. Now that is a very important feature that we have got on this smart band. If you're buying this for your parents or any elderly people, it's going to be very useful because it can detect the fall, and during emergency we can just press the side button 5 times to notify that they are in emergency. Now, the best part about this fitness band. Samsung claims that this band can offer up to 13 days of battery life, which is just fantastic to hear. But they also mentioned that the battery life is based on results from internal lab tests conducted by Samsung for typical usage pattern scenarios, with Galaxy Fit 3 connected to a Galaxy smartphone via Bluetooth, including 52 notifications, 4 minutes of text checks, 9 minutes of time checks, and 30 minutes of workouts over the course of 24 hours. Now, with this usage pattern they have tested in the labs, and they have got 13 days of battery life, but in real life I feel that this could be somewhere around 6 to 7 days of battery life, because I lost close to about 10% overnight. So I'm guessing that probably about 5-6 days or 7-8 days of battery life with always on display turned off and running some basic health centric features. I will test the battery life over a period of next 10 to 15 days and I'll keep you guys posted. Now, these are some fantastic features we have got on this particular smart band from Samsung, and this band has got a lot of features which are borrowed from the Galaxy watches. Even though this is not running on Wear OS, the interface looks pretty clean and all these icons look as same as the Wear OS that we have on the Galaxy watches. And we have got a lot of applications here. We've got some smart features as well on the watch. So this is definitely a typical smart band with some smart features as well, which makes it a very good companion for you if you're into health tracking and if you're looking for a very light device which can do that. Now, can this replace your Galaxy watch, the Galaxy smartwatch? I would say kind of yes, but it may not completely replace your smartwatch, because this cannot take calls or make calls, and there is no speaker on the device. You will only get the vibration feedback on the watch, and this is only the Bluetooth variant. There is no LTE as such, so there is no network connectivity on this device. This is purely a fitness band, but a much improved version of fitness band which can come close to a smartwatch, because this has got a bigger screen now. The display is pretty good, the UI is very simple and intuitive and very responsive, and we get many applications and 100+ watch faces as well. So this is definitely close to a smartwatch, but not exactly a smartwatch which is offered by Samsung. Now, should you buy one of these bands? I would say if you're looking for fitness features and some basic smart features, then yes, definitely you can buy this band. But as far as the looks are concerned, this is not going to replace a smartwatch. A smartwatch is a smartwatch, and this looks more like a proper full-fledged watch, and when you wear it, it looks pretty good. But if you're going from a Galaxy watch or any other bigger watches, this may not look good on your wrist, or you may feel that this is not looking good on your wrist. But if you're looking for a purpose, then this is the smart band that you have to go for. And if you're someone who is going to wear a watch or a fitness band 24/7, then this is the one to go for, because this will not be that comfortable to wear 24/7, especially during the night. Now, I hope that answers your question. Let me know what do you think about Galaxy Fit 3. Drop a comment, share your thoughts, and if you're new here on the channel, do subscribe. There will be some more contents coming up on this device, and you will also get to see loads of contents on the Galaxy smartwatches and the Galaxy phones and many other Android phones. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to know your phone and watch better, and give this video a like if you find this informational. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan, signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.